OPPO P5 was released in October 2025 as the flagship tablet in the OPPO lineup before the announcement of the P5 Pro. The base model is built on the MediaTek Luminister and features a 12.1-inch 3K display with a 144Hz refresh rate and a 10,420 mAh battery. Hardware-wise, it's a solid mid-ranger, but what's most interesting about this tablet is actually its software. ColorOS 16 on top of Android 16, with a focus on AI scenarios and seamless collaboration with other devices. OPPO promises 5 major operating system updates and 6 years of security patches. That's a serious commitment for a tablet. In the Android market, for tablets under 600 euros, such a policy is very rare. Usually, the maximum is about 2 or 3 years. In practical terms, a tablet bought in 2025 or 2026 will receive new versions of Android until about 2031. This is comparable to what Samsung offers for the Galaxy Tab S10 series, but at a lower price point. ColorOS 16 itself is built on Android 16. Visually, the interface has received a cleaner icon grid and redesigned widgets. The main feature of ColorOS 16. On the tablet, the multitasking mode has been revamped. The system keeps up to 12 active apps in memory and switches between them without reloading. In practice, it works like this. At the same time, you can have a browser open with 12 tabs, a document in VPS, a messenger, a video call, and a media player. When switching between them, there is no unloading and reloading like you get with budget tablets that have 4 to 6 gigabytes of RAM. Here, 8 or 12 gigabytes of physical RAM help, plus 8 gigabytes of virtual memory. From the storage. In split screen mode, you can have 2 full windows open at the same time, plus up to 3 floating windows on top of them. This is closer to the Samsung DeX experience than to standard tablet Android. Of course, it all sounds great and looks beautiful, but there are still some drawbacks. For example, some messengers in floating mode open with a cropped interface. This is an issue for the developer to address, not the shell itself. The OPPO Pad 5 supports the proprietary OPPO Pen stylus. And for it, ColorOS 16 has received a redesigned Notes app. There are 2 main AI features. The first feature is real-time handwriting alignment. The system automatically straightens crooked handwritten lines. It arranges them along the lines without changing the handwriting itself. This is convenient for taking notes. Handwritten text remains recognizable but is much neater to read. The second feature is shape recognition. If you write a mathematical equation, an expression, or a chemical reaction by hand, the tablet converts it into standard machine-readable form, and it immediately calculates the result. In terms of capabilities, this is comparable to Apple Notes on the iPad, which appeared in iPadOS 18. If we look at the Android side, comparable features are only available on Samsung's higher-end Galaxy Tab models. So what are the limitations? The quality of recognition drops when it comes to handwritten ceramic indices in formulas. Latin script and basic mathematics work reliably. ColorOS 16 on the tablet received the same set of AI tools as the flagship OPPO Find X smartphone. AI Studio handles images, generates content based on text and descriptions, and removes unwanted objects from photos. AI Writer rewrites text in the desired tone or instantly translates it into 18 languages. AI VoiceScribe stands out as a separate feature. It records conversations through the microphone and immediately produces a text transcript, separating speakers and including timestamps. For work meetings and interviews, this covers scenarios that previously required separate apps, such as Outer. Most AI features require an OPPO account and an internet connection. Processing is done in the cloud. Only some basic functions work locally, for example, handwriting, autocorrection, and simple photo enhancement. OPPO's Connect is an app that OPPO has been refining for a long time, and in ColorOS 16 they've brought it to a state where it can be used. In terms of daily features, this is OPPO's answer to Apple's continuity scenario. Such a tablet is used as a second screen for a Mac or Windows PC via wireless connection. Files can be dragged from the computer to both devices and back with the mouse without any issues. The clipboard is synchronized and you can open files on the tablet. You can have a full-fledged Telegram window or another messenger from your computer and continue chatting without taking out your phone, right on the tablet itself. It supports macOS from version 10.14 and Windows 10 and newer. From the iPhone, OPPO only receives file and photo transfers. Control from the OS devices side does not work and is not supported. If you are using a bundle, iPhone plus MacBook, then you can easily connect just the MacBook. Boundless Workspace, a feature that literally mirrors your smartphone screen, right inside a window on the tablet. It's similar to Dex or Microsoft's phone bin, but without being dependent on an external monitor. So how does it work? For example, your smartphone is in your bag. Either it's out of battery or it's just somewhere far away. Banking and messenger apps continue to run right on the tablet in their original smartphone versions. Notifications also come directly to the tablet. This solves the problem of apps that are only available in smartphone versions. And it's not optimized for your tablet. There are also limitations. For example, the feature only works with the OPPO and OPPO pairing, and that's the main drawback. If you have a Pixel or iPhone smartphone, Boundless Workspace is simply unavailable. And at the moment, there is no replacement for it. So, who is this wonderful tablet for? The OPPO Pad 5 makes sense for students and office workers who do a lot of handwriting, work with documents, and use several apps in parallel. AI-powered notepad with formulas. Transcribing meetings and multiple windows. This is the scenario the tablet is actually made for, not just a marketing gimmick. Unfortunately, this tablet is not suitable for users of the Apple ecosystem. The iPhone and iPad integration is limited. The main advantages are revealed only when you have an OPPO smartphone. You should also pass on this tablet if your main purpose is gaming at high FPS. The more powerful Snapdragon 8 Lite chip simply isn't here. It's only available in the Pad 5 Pro. And that's all. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video or liked this device, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.